Okay, I got a message that the delivery is done. So let's go and check out, guys. Look at this, what I have got. Okay, all the 3 roses they have packed and delivered in one bag. That's interesting. So I'm going to open and see. Okay, let me quickly show you guys what I have in my front porch. The season has not started, but I still have something that's really awesome. I've been enjoying these dusty millers throughout the winter season. I put them under porch and they are alive. This is the first time I'm overwintering. I didn't even know that they are going to overwinter. Last year they survived until I think some first week of February in the front of the house, and then they died. So I thought, why don't I give a try under the porch with some protection. So they just have this as a protection, nothing else. So they are surviving now, and heuchera, they are perennial, so they will look good. And these are the 2 planters. I kept them under the garage, unheated garage, until last week. So this week I moved them, and you won't believe me, guys, they've been producing beautiful blooms like this throughout the winter season, and they were like full of flowers. But after I brought them outdoor, they started, and we had a almost 60-kilometer wind, and I think they need water. I didn't water them, maybe they started fading away. But inside the garage, every time I go to the garage for taking my garbage can, I used to see like at least 3 to 4 stems in each planter. That's really awesome. So looks like a geranium. Even though I got this as a, you can see it says annual, but it's really worth. I got it for $16.97 with this basket from Walmart. I really love this planter, as well as the draping one, creeping jenny, and this geranium. Creeping jenny also surveyed, so looks like they are tender perennial, maybe not an annuals. Anyway, the last one I have here is, I don't know if you can see the greens there. This is the the living bouquet I had in my porch. I had more than 2 months or 3 months. This is the mum's plant, and they survived. So I don't remove the dead branches because they act as a protection for the younger plant inside that's popping out. So maybe sometime late March or maybe April I'll be trimming them. So until then it may look really ugly here, but it's a protection for the plant, guys. Anyway, so let me open the box and see how they look. Okay guys, I'm pretty excited. Here we go. Let's go and open the box. Okay, here we go. Ooh, look at this. My goodness. I don't know, that plant looks so tiny. I don't know what that plant is, but these 2 plants really looks stunning. Okay, let me take the first plant. Look at this, guys. This is really pretty. Last time I had very thin canes. This time look at, I have got really wonderful canes. And look at this. Pretty exciting, guys. Okay, let me remove this. Now let's welcome the second plant. Ooh, look at this. Beautiful, isn't it? Amazing. And I have got the plant tags. Ooh, look at this, full of thorns. You can see the leaves are dried out a little bit. It's just because they were in shipment and they didn't have enough water. So as soon as you got the plant, it's good to water them. Okay, now let's look at the package. I bought this combo package, so these tags comes free. Otherwise you have to spend $10 for each tag. So this is $30 and it is free for me. Hoping that this is a worth purchase. Ooh, look at this. I got heirloomroses.com. State of Grace. Isn't it amazing to have, the plant tag along with the company where you bought? This is really something I had in my, wish list. And I'm glad that I was able to get this for free of cost. I got Koko Loko, State of Grace and Distant Drums. Alright guys, thank you for watching. I hope you guys liked watching this video. I'll see you in another video. Please support my channel by subscribing, commenting and sharing it with your friends.